Today, I will be talking about how you can make anything. When you go for tryouts, how to make the team, how to make yourself, differentiate yourself from other players. Very important. All the trials that I've done in my life, starting from a young age, I made the teams. There was no time that I was caught, so, and I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to be able to make the team. One, before tryouts, you have to be in top condition. There's no doubt about that. You have to be in top shape. You have to practice, practice, practice. You have to sacrifice. You have to, a night before the practice, you have to eat well, you have to sleep, get a lot of rest, and you have to watch videos of high school game or college game or professional game to prepare yourself. You have to focus. These are things that you need to do to be able to make the team when you go for tryouts. So I wish you the best, and I know you can do it. Good luck.